Okay, so I'm in India again, same place, same hotel. Yes, and that's the construction site that I've been watching the last 3 days. Here underneath, it was the official garbage site of this small village. Now they took off some of the soil from here. That's the garbage left behind, and put it here up so they could level this ground. Everything is on the heads. Two guys here, they are painting the house. If you see the risk they're taking, I don't know, I wouldn't take such a risk here, but sorry, they are painting, actually painting. You see is here. I'm on the floor level, and this is the house. And if you see there, it's hard to see, but everything they do is doing by hand. Try to focus a bit. They plant the cement, everything by hand, and everything they bring in and out is on the heads. It's hard to see here, but look the way they work here. Yes, and the painters. Great, great, great. I won't take such a risk. 5 meters above ground on a 30 centimeters wall that they are stepping on, and they're painting. Just great, just great. Yes, okay guys, I'll leave you now. That's someone here. Just went with a bucket full on his head. Maybe later we'll have another footage of this construction site in here. Okay, see you then. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye bye.